Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 4 power 10 minus 4 power 8. This 10 here, I can express it as product of 2 times 5. I have 4 power 2 times 5 minus this is 4 power. For 8, I can express it as 2 times 4. So remember, you have a power n times m equals a power n or power m. Applying this here, I have 4 power 2, 4 power 5 minus 4 power 2, 4 power 4. So from here, you need to find the value of 4 power 2, that is 4 times 4, that is 16. 16 power 5, and now 16 power 4. I can express this as summation of 4 plus 1, because we have 4 here already. I have 16 power 4 plus 1, minus 16 power 4. So if you have a power n plus n, equals a power n times a power n. Applying this right here, I have 16 power 4 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 4. So there's 16 power 4 here, there's 16 power 4 here. I can factor that out. This divided by 16 power 4. I have 16 minus this divided by 16 power 4. I have 1. So from here, I have 16 power 4 times 16 minus 1. I have 15. So 16 is your perfect square, which is 4 power 2. That's 4 power 2 to the power of 4 times 15. You have a power n, or power n equals a power n times m. So this will be 4 power 8 times 15. And don't forget the fact that 4 itself is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2. So this will give me 2 power 2, which is 4 power 8 times 15. From here, I multiply this exponent again. I have 2 power 16 times 15. Remember, a power n equals a power n times n. So express this as summation of 10 and 6. I have 2 power 10 plus 6 times 15. I apply a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. I have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15. So let's find the value of 2 power 10. If you know it, you can put it there. But 2 power 10 equals 2 power 5 times 2, which is 2 power 5, or power 2. And 2 power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 32 power 2. What is 32 times power 2? That is 32 times 32. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. You add up 4, 12, 2 carry by 1, appear 1024. This is 1024 times 2 power 6 is simply 2 power 5 times 2. That is, if 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 32 times 2, that is 64 times 15. So you have 1024 times 64 times 15. I can express this as 1000 plus 24 times 64 times 15. I can have this as 64 times 1000, 64 times 24. 64 times 1000, I have 64,000 plus 64 times 24. 4 times 4, 16. 6 carry over 1, 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, 25. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6, 12. 6. This is 13. 3 carry over 1, after 5. You have 1536. So add it to 64,000 before you multiply by 15. You have 64,000 plus 1536. That is 6355 again. 65536, right? 65,000. Then 536. We are going to multiply that by 15 to have our final answer. So you have 65,536 times 15, right? So let's multiply that up very fast. So we start with 5 times 6, that is 0 carry over 3. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, that is 18. 8 carry over 1. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 6 carry over 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2, 27. 7 carry over 2. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 1 times 5, 1 times 6. 6, 1 times 3. 3, 1 times 5. 1 times 5 again. 1 times 6. 6. So we add up for our final answer. 0, 14, 4 carry over 1 out here. Then 0, add 1 here. This becomes 13. 3 carry over 1 out here. 8. Then 9. 9, 8, 3, and 40. So this is our answer without the use of calculator for 4 power 10 minus 4 power 8, which is the same thing as 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4, which is also the same thing as 2 power 20 minus 2 power 16. All of them here will give you the same answer. The answer is 983,040. So guys, this is how you can actually evaluate this without the use of calculator step by step. As simple as that. The first step is you express this 10 here as product of 2 and 5. Express this as product of 2 and 4. Then make use of this identity. You find 4 power 2, that is 16. You have 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. Express 5 in terms of 4 plus 1. Then you apply this identity, a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Factor out 16 power 4. Then you have 16 minus 115. If you know the value of 16 power 4, you can insert it here. If you don't know, break it down again. 16 is 4 power 2. Then you have power 4. Multiply the exponent using this identity. Then from there, remember, 4 is the perfect square, which is 2 power 2. Then from there, you multiply the exponent. 2 times 8, that is 16. 2 power 16 times 16. From here, if you know the value of 2 power 16, put it here. Multiply by 50 and get your answer. If you don't know, 16 is summation of 10 and 6. So from here, you apply this. You have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6. Then 2 power 10 is simple. 1024. If you don't know, make use of this. So right now you have 1024, that is 2 power 10 times 64, that is 2 power 6 times 15. Multiply this out. After multiplying everything out, we are definitely going to have this 983,040. So that's the equivalent of 4 power 10 minus 4 power 8, 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4, 2 power 20 minus 2 power 16. Wherever you see that, know the answer. So guys, that is it. Thank you. See you again.